How to change Uber Eats to English. Hey there, welcome back to our channel. So in order to change Uber Eats to English, you need to first go ahead and open or launch the Uber Eats application on your mobile device. After that, tap on your profile icon or the menu, which is in the bottom right corner of the screen. Tap on Manage Uber Account that you will find below Voice Command Settings. Here is Switch to Personal Info. And then tap on Language, that is indicating Update Device Language. Your preferred language may not be supported by Uber due to technical limitations. So you need to refer to your device operating system and follow the instructions to select your language. So if you're doing it for Android phone, simply go ahead and open your device settings on your phone, tap on System and then go to Languages and select the language that you'd like to confirm. So that's it for the video. This is how you can go ahead and change Uber Eats to English or any other language that you prefer. It completely depends on your device. So that's it for the video. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.